You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know?
What's going on?
How you doing?
I'm good. I think I'm going to wait to complete this part right here. First I want to see how these panels are lining up with this wall. So I have a feeling that the wall is a little bit crooked, just a tad. So I'm going to start from here and build outwards and see how it lays before I finish that right there, in case I need to shift this a little bit, because this does shift a tad. So before I cut the final pieces on the back to fit, I want to make sure how narrow each strip should be. But other than that, it's going pretty well. What? Any questions? Okay, that's enough.
Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, 'cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get me things, but I don't care. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you.
Just trying to recycle as many of these end pieces that I've cut off as possible and use them on the ends, but still get a random pattern without anything showing up discernibly, because if I keep you doing it the same way, it'll make some sort of pattern that'll be visible. So I'm just trying to randomize it as much as possible without making too many scrap pieces that I can't use, you know? I end up with pieces about this long or shorter. Anything shorter than that I don't want to use on the end. Obviously that's going to be an end piece, but I don't want to use it on the end if it's like this short, because it's not going to have stability. You know, I want to have at least a piece this long to use at the end. So luckily this is the end that I cut off over there, and I can use it right here. And it doesn't match up too well with any of these other pieces. It doesn't make a staggered pattern, so it's kind of random. You can see a piece that's similar length here, a piece of similar length there and there, but it's not the same distance apart, so it doesn't appear to be patterning anyway. The thing about patterns is, and there's nothing wrong with a pattern, but you need to have a consistent pattern throughout, or it looks like you messed up. So, if you wouldn't mind.
You were passing by, surrounded by all those butterflies. Suddenly they flew right in my heart. Must have looked like a living piece of art. From that moment I knew that it would be you. Yeah, from that moment I knew it could only be you. I wrote your name up on my wall, circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone. Circled in